To start editing a wall tiling, first click on the intended tiling to select it and go to the Tiling and Cutting Tool option in the left-hand panel. When you click on it, you will then enter a mid-state where you can see only the shape of that tiling created, colored in gray, and the outline of its base wall. To edit this, click on the shape and go to the left-hand panel. In order to edit the shape, click on the tiling shape to select it and then click on the Edit Shape option in the Properties panel. You will further enter into the Sketcher mode where you can modify or create a new shape. Let us say I want to get rid of the square shape and create a slightly more interesting design. I will create an upside down L shape. Ensure that whenever you're creating a wall tiling, you create a closed polyline or curve only. Once done, click on Apply to save changes. To edit the type, click on the tiling shape to select it, go to the Properties panel, and click on Type drop-down menu. When you do so, you will see there are three different types: extrude, tiling, and cut. To change the depth of the tiling, go to the depth field in the left-hand panel. You can see that by default, the depth of the tiling is 20 mm. Let us say we want to change it to 200, or I can enter in 300 as well. Now, let us look at the front shift. Currently, the value here is 0, which means that the base of the tiling is directly touching the wall face. But if we want to shift it ahead by some distance, let us say around 200, let us type in that number into the front shift field. We can also edit the material of the tiling. To do so, first click on the shape and go to the left-hand panel and to Material. From there, you can either click on the Material drop-down menu and select one of the user-defined materials therein, or you can go to Fetch from Store and select a material from the carousel here. For now, let us stick with one of the user-defined materials. When we go to the Back to Designing portal by clicking on the arrow in the top right corner, you can see that all of these changes have been made. The material of the tiling has been changed to red, the thickness has been changed to 300 mm, and when you orbit further, you can see it has been shifted ahead of the wall face by 200 mm.